And remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create sweet sticky rice. That's what I'm going to prepare to you today. Sweet sticky rice. And you're going to need some glutinous rice in order to prepare this. I have about a cup and a half, maybe a cup and 1/3 of the rice, the glutinous rice, short version, short grain, couple teaspoons of sugar, and about a cup and a half, maybe a cup and 2/3 of coconut milk. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put the rice. It's not a typical rice, it's glutinous rice. Texture is different. Have this stuff at high heat now. And I'm going to add the coconut milk. Going to mix it up. And actually going to add a little bit more rice. So what I did is create almost an even amount, just a tiny bit more milk. Just a tiny bit. What I'm going to do, I'm going to reduce the heat from high. I'm going to move it to medium. I'm going to add the sugar. Of course, I'm going to cover it so it cooks. And I'm going to leave it alone. Let me take a look. Some of the milk have reduced and evaporated. So what you're going to do, you're going to move it around. Stir it. Cover it. Reduce the heat. And let it go for about 5 minutes.